Sicily is full of feudal villages, often abandoned, and around the master's house were also built the houses of the people in his service. The powerful Sicilian aristocracy took root on the island since the arrival of the Normans in the 11th century. Among castles and feudal villages, the powerful nobles ruled over the people. In the village of Sigamino, the people worked in the fields for the Duke and sent their children to the school named after the Duke's wife, the beloved Duchess Magda. There was also a shared oven, where now we sleep in, and where the peasant women once made bread, and it's said that the Duchess Magda always put some money in the pockets of the women of the village. There was also a beautiful church, where all together nobles and peasants gathered to pray. Then everything vanished. The Duke was reduced without a penny. Today, only one person lives there, known as the mayor. I take a little bit of everything. You take care of it, ma'am. Here, have a taste of the Zuzzu. Pork chops and gelatin, seasoned with salt, lemon, pepper, and bay leaf. A Sicilian specialty. The pork jelly, or Sicilian laiatina, but also Zuzzu or Zuzzu, is a typical dish of the Sicilian cuisine, diffused mainly in eastern Sicily. It is prepared by boiling the poor parts of the pig, such as the skin, paws, head, tail, tongue, and ears. The procedures also includes the addition of bay leaf, lemon, vinegar, chili pepper, and black pepper. In short, dear friends, if you come to Sicily, go to a butcher shop and get a nice slice of Zuzzu.
Meanwhile, congratulations, you are very elegant. Very elegant. We're here. Is that an antique watch? Yes, I've had it for 70 years. What class are you? 1928. What did you do in your life? A wonderful job for me, the pastor. I did it for 65 years. Is it true that the shepherds become a bit poets because they always sing? Yes, it's true. The ship to whom you were fond of, what was her name? Maria. In the weekend back in your days, you used to go to the sea? Which sea? To work. And how did you meet your wife? Did you take her to the club? No, but what club? I met her in a street in a village. And I told her I liked her, and she said to me, "It's fine with me, but you have to talk to my parents first." If they didn't agree, she would do the Fuitina.
Smashing tip. Until not many years ago, Sicilian men were very jealous of their daughters and were not convinced too easily to give them up for engagement. And then, in secret, the woman agreed with the fiancé, and together they escaped, the Fuitina precisely. Is that he took her away for a few days, and at that point, when they returned, her father could no longer exempt himself from granting her in marriage.
Per me sta bene, però adesso i miei genitori pure.
Certo, per avere 90 anni si porta bene, complimenti.
To be 90 years old, you look great.
Grazie.
You didn't tell me your name.
Io Terranova.
Un nome?
Giuseppe.
Giuseppe Terranoma. Nickname Oscuraro. But I don't know what it means.
Italia.